But one day, if they can't become a client, they will refer people to you. So when we talk about business networking, we start from a stranger. We build the ladder upwards until he becomes your advocate. So as a stranger, I don't know you, you don't know me. I can buy from you because I need something. I become your customer. But how do you build from this customer to the highest level advocate? Is how she built this way. So you will follow up with them, do a lot of after sales customer service. Then let them know that you are there and they know who to look for. They will refer people and they will always ask them to go to you. In other words, you are building a relationship. After you build the relationship, you realize that people introduce business to you. Then no longer one customer, become a client because you have more customer, and customer buy you from you again and again. As you build advocate